Hello gig workers, welcome back to the channel. Now if you're not a gig workers, join the team. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and DoorDash from 11:15 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps. And stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. So because of the coronavirus, our city went into more restriction and more shutdowns of business, like the hair salon and barbershop. So on Wednesday night, I sneak in a haircut before the shutdown on Thursday. Nice. What do you guys think? Yeah, because I don't know when it's gonna open back. It's probably in 4 weeks, and then my hair is gonna be too long. So it's a good thing I got a haircut before the shutdown. And hopefully we have a good day today, because lots of people are staying home, and it's a Friday lunch hours. What do you guys think? It's gonna be $20 an hour. Let's set a goal. The time is 11:15. So I got my first order from McDonald's, $4.41. I'll accept it. I don't like McDonald's, but it's just a short drop off. So this customer is 1 minute away, less than 1 kilometers. Okay, let's head to the customer. Just dropped it off really fast. So I arrived at the customer location. I know this house. This guy doesn't tip. Oh no. I think I'll get stuck with $4. His note says leave on ground. Don't ring doorbell. Thanks. Let's go do that. $4.42. Yeah, I delivered to him a few times, this customer. I'll tip you in the app afterwards. Don't worry, I'll tip you in the app afterward. I never did. This is DoorDash, 12 kilometers, $9. I'm not gonna accept that. This is DoorDash, 5.7 kilometers, $8. I'll accept it. So I arrived at the subway and DoorDash sent me an add-on for $8, additional 2.9 kilometers. I'll take that for sure. I'm looking at $16 for this trip, but two customer. And then the second customer was just one item. The first customer is just 2 items. So should be a fast pickup, hopefully. So I arrived at the customer location. You guys know where the customer is working? You want to see? Ooh. So I'll show you guys from outside. I don't know if I could video inside. Probably not. So do you guys see what's the store I'm talking about? For my fellow American friends, marijuana, ganja, weed, What else? What other name they call it? Cannabis. So it's legal in Canada. For a Canadian, that's not new. So right now I'm at $4.42 with Uber and $16 with DoorDash, and the time is 12:07. I started at 11:15. Not bad for first hour. So Uber $5.33, 2 kilometers. McDonald again. I'll take it. So I'm at the McDonald here. The drive-through is crazy. I don't know. It's gonna take a long time. Hope not. It's like 20 cars to the drive-through. So it was a bit of a wait again. It's the second time here. I'll give them long wait. I have to start refusing McDonald's order. So customer is 3 minutes away, 1.9 kilometers. So this is Uber, $8.39, 7 kilometers. Accepted. So I have to go to Taco Bell now, 8 minutes away, 3.1 kilometers. $8.40. I don't know what's going on with DoorDash. I only had 2 orders only. Nothing else after that. So you guys like that cannabis store? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Haha. What's going on, man? It's a slow day. I thought it was gonna be busy today. It's not that busy. The time is 1:16. For the past 15 minutes waiting. No order from Ubereats and DoorDash. I don't know what's going on today. It's a Friday. I guess the weather is nice. It's +1 Celsius. Lots of people are out driving around, and they're going through the drive-through and probably pick up their own food. Maybe that's the reason why. It is what it is. So I'm gonna end my shift. I'm not gonna waste my time sitting here. Just gonna go home, do some push-ups. Yeah, because the gyms are closed. I'm just gonna gain some weight, staying home doing nothing. I'll work though. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned for the summary. I think there's a few tips have to come in for Uber Eats, maybe 2 more if the customer tip. Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. I'll start with DoorDash. I had 2 orders only with DoorDash. The first one was $8, base pay $6, customer tip $2. Second order was $8, base pay $6, customer tip $2. And the active time was 29 minutes, dash time was 2 hours and 2 minutes. And this is Uber Eats, the top 3. This is $6.42, customer tip $2. Yeah, this is a customer I said that don't tip. I'm surprised that he tipped this time. Thank you anyway. This is $10.78, customer tip $5.44. Thank you. $11.74, customer tip $3.34. Thank you, customer. Between Uber Eats and DoorDash, the total is $44.94 minus $4 gas equal $40.94. divided by 2 hours gave us $20.47 per hour. At one moment, I thought I'm not gonna make $20 an hour because in the last half an hour was really slow. I think there's a few tips that came in later with Uber Eats that really brought it up to $20 an hour. So guys, you see, always set a goal in mind, and 95% of the time you will achieve it. And try to multi-app. Without multi-apping, rarely you might make $20 an hour unless it's a really busy day and lots of promotion going on. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, hit the subscribe button down below. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.